Worth ATL traffic lady, crash activity really bogging us down here. So, oh yeah, that's an overturned tractor trailer on my ramp. Ha! Ramping from downtown connector south, heading to 20 east. That's completely shut down. That's why we were jammed coming south on the connector. So now I'm forced here on the 20 west. I'm going to have to come here, turn around Lee Street or somewhere and flip back, head back on 20 east, headed that way. So again, downtown connector southbound, ramp to 20 east. That is completely shut down. They got the heavy duty wrecker on the scene there at all, trying to get that tractor trailer back on its wheels. So big problems before the rush hour even starts. Downtown connector southbound, ramp to 20 east, completely shut down. It's Stephanie Stallworth, your ATL traffic lady. You are up to date. I'm on the scene. Y'all be safe out there, all right? I'll see you soon. Bye.